I have a plan for my cat team road trip. I need to restore this bus. Are you ready?
Mr. Catman!
And with a few satisfying turns of the wrench, the solar housing is secure. Now our futuristic caravan is one step closer to the open road.
To get this old Explorer bus running again, we first need to deal with the rust. Watch closely as we use the wire brush to reveal the metal underneath.
Scrub harder on the roof, Dee. Get that rust off the bumper now. We don't have all day.
Watch closely as the high-pressure water blasts away the dirt. Scrubbing the soap in helps lift the grime for a satisfying clean. We're restoring this classic bus. First, we weld the cracks shut, creating lots of sparks. Then, we use the wire brush to clean the seam nice and smooth.
Keep scrubbing right there. Almost finished vacuuming the floorboards. Make sure you get the edges clean. Today we're gutting this bus. See how the crowbar helps us pop these old seats right out? Power tools make quick work of the rest. We use the tape measure to get the perfect length, then use the hammer to lock the planks tight.
Laying the floorboards is satisfying. We measure, click them into place, and gently tap them tight with the mallet for a perfect fit. Listen closely to that satisfying click. We use specialized tools, like this electric screwdriver, to restore these machines with precision.
Washer and orbital sander, we blast away the rust and grime, getting this bus ready for a fresh coat of paint. We start by blasting the dirt off with the pressure washer. And listen to that wire brush grind the rust right off the wheel well. Washer to clean the metal, and then these spray guns apply the paint smoothly and evenly. See how the drill makes quick work of securing the panel. With the right tools, harnessing the sun's power is easy and fun.
The manifold is secured, but we're still waiting on the gasket for the carburetor. I noted that. Make sure the timeline stays on track.
All right, backpacks on.
Whoa!
We're finally ready to go. This is gonna be amazing. I am absolutely enjoying this journey.
Cheers to the open road.
Cheers to enjoying the journey.
So guys, how much did you like this video? Tell us your ideas for the next topic. Like, subscribe, and share. Hooray!